Personal finance tips that will change the way you think about money. Knowing how to handle your money is a difficult task. It takes time to successfully organize and monitor your funds, but efficient money management can provide a range of rewards. Not to mention that learning personal finance is an excellent way to protect yourself from financial issues and debt. Personal finance is an umbrella term for money management. This can be accomplished through the use of a monthly budget, a tax calculator, a retirement fund, or an estate plan. Personal finance also includes any investments or loans that you may need to consider. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about personal finance tips that will change the way you think about money. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Create a personal finance calendar. A personal finance calendar can give you control over your day-to-day spending in addition to being a straightforward way to keep long-term financial records. When it comes to personal finance calendars, there are several levels of complexity. However, for the most fundamental, you'll need to record your income, regular outgoings, such as bills, standing orders, and so on, spending and savings. These calendars typically last a month, but if you truly want to break down your personal finances, build a 7-day personal finance calendar. Create habits. Personal finance management is a long-term endeavor. Making budgeting a habit is the best method to guarantee you keep track of your income, outgoings, purchases, and savings on a regular basis. Whatever it takes to make personal finance second nature is worthwhile. For example, you might want to carry a tiny notepad with you to jot down purchases as soon as you make them. This also applies to saving. Having a weekly savings goal and consistently saving money will protect you against unexpected outgoings and help you prepare. Looking back on how much money you've saved is a wonderful reward for being responsible with your personal finances. Discuss goals and priorities. This guideline is especially crucial if you have children or plan to have children. Personal finances might include both of you if you and your partner have common financial responsibilities. It's a good idea to figure out what you'll be working for so you can give your all to joint purchases while still knowing where you stand with your individual finances. Setting shared monthly objectives can help with long-term planning and make your partner aware of your personal ambitions. Be smart with loans. Loans might be a terrific way to get to your objectives faster if you know you'll be able to pay them back. A long-term loan, on the other hand, might be a drain on your money, perhaps for decades. If you have long-term debt, chances are that recurring loan payments will have an impact on all of your goals. Make it a point to pay off any long-term or high-interest loans, such as credit card debt. Things are a little different when it comes to your mortgage. Check with your provider to see if you can lower your monthly payment and extend your term to accommodate your specific financial goals. Explore investing. We can become so focused on saving that we forget there are ways to improve our savings. Of course, most investments involve some level of risk, so examine your overall income and outgoings to ensure you can afford a potential loss. However, if you have extra money sitting around, investing can help you reach your goals much faster. You can invest as little or as much as you wish, and some investments, like real estate or stocks, are often extremely secure. If you are new to investing, asking for assistance can be extremely beneficial in determining whether it is right for you. Treat yourself. Who doesn't enjoy an occasional impulse purchase? Personal finance budgeting is less about preventing yourself from acquiring what you want and more about learning to evaluate if a purchase is worthwhile. You can ensure that a purchase is a good one if you know how much it is worth in relation to your income and how it will influence your finances a month from now. While long-term goals are vital, it is also important to enjoy your savings from time to time. Planning your taxes. Taxes are a critical component of personal finance. After all, they receive payment from everyone and won't disappear. Knowing how much of your money is going to taxes might help you get a greater sense of control over your finances. Your accounts may have different tax exemptions, so learning about them will help ensure that your personal finance plan is tax effective. Saving via a retirement plan or an IRA, for example, is one strategy to lower taxes. Be flexible. Once a person has opened their first bank account, they are unlikely to open many more with various institutions. This is why banks provide such low interest rates to first-time depositors. However, the longer you have your account, the lower your interest rate will be. It's a good idea to reevaluate your accounts and insurance providers to verify you're getting the highest interest rates possible. Switching bank accounts requires money to be moved, but flexibility may be the key to attaining your personal finance goals. Keep learning. Personal finance can be a complicated subject, especially when it comes to smaller, but no less significant issues. Starting small is preferable to not managing your personal finances at all, so do only what you are comfortable with. However, if you're serious about increasing your savings and reaching your own financial objectives, you should look more into what personal finance can provide. Many prominent instructors provide financial literacy classes, and enlisting the assistance of a financial counselor may point you in the correct direction and prepare you for the future. Conclusion: personal finance might be difficult to learn, but you can begin managing your finances at any time. It's ideal to get into the habit of budgeting and saving money every week or month by keeping track of your income, bills paid, savings, and any purchases you make. Outro. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.